I'm going to explain you about network security. First, let us know what is meant by security. Security is defined as protecting information system from unintended access. There are various types of security: network security, computer security, information security, data security, cyber security. Network security deals with securing networks from cyber attacks. Computer security deals with securing computer systems. Information security deals with securing information. Data security deals with securing data in storage, and cyber security deals with securing the system which is connected to internet. Next, let us see what are the major objectives of information security: confidentiality, integrity, availability, and non-repudiation. Confidentiality is preventing the disclosure of information to unauthorized users. Integrity prevents unauthorized creation or modification of data and maintaining consistency of data. Availability means unauthorized users should have reliable access to information when they are in need of it. Non-repudiation refers its the ability to prevent denial in an electronic message of transaction. Now we should know about various common terminologies used in information security. Assets represents the valuable resources. Threat is an action taken by a person. Vulnerability represents the weakness points in the system. And attack is an action taken. There are four major types of threats. Information leakage refers to leaking the information. Integrity violation refers to altering the data. And denial of service refers to preventing legitimate users from accessing service. Legitimate use, exploitation of privilege by legitimate users. Threats can be realized in different ways: authorization violation, eavesdropping, interception, malicious program, masquerade, repudiation, resource exhaustion, and social engineering. Vulnerability usually exists within the organization because of the peoples inside the organization working who have not followed the security policies or procedures and administration passwords insecure and update. Then let us see about what is an attack. Attacks are actions. Attackers are hackers who enters into the network or the system to steal something. Some tools are used by the hackers like John the Piper to crack the password, SQL Map to launch SQL injection, and Wireshark to read the network. Attacker performs some malicious activities like probing, scanning, DOS flooding, bypass control, spoofing, and stealing. Generally, identification and authentication are measures used for to prevent unauthorized people entering into the system, like we do entering user ID and password. So there are some threats to passwords like replay, brute force attack, password guessing, dictionary attacks. So what is meant by replay? During transmission, if the data is transmitted as it is, as a clear text, anyone can read it and use it. Brute force attacks, the adversary tries for all possible passwords. Password can be guessed by using our family member names, date of birth, like then vehicle number. Like dictionary attacks represents the combination of matching words. Common forms of threats on internet protocol are packet replay, IP spoofing, and source routing. Packet replay can be prevented by using timestamps, and IP spoofing uses the IP address in the message packets, and source routing uses the route followed by the packet. Attacks on internet services are telnet attack and FTP. In FTP, too many file transfer are initiated simultaneously. Denial of service attacks takes place. In TFTP, as it is using UDP, anyone can boot into it so easily. Password files can be read, and attacks through email can be IP spoofing or email spoofing or email bank. So far, we have seen about security, various types of securities, terminologies like asset threats, vulnerabilities, and attacks, and some attack types. Thank you.